Hi.
This is the
Sarah
and
Hannah.
Show.
Okay, we will be calling someone anonymous.
Lee.
Anonymous?
Millie.
Anonymously.
Say it 5 times fast.
Anonymously.
Anonymously.
Okay, go. Ready? This is how we
Wait,
anonymously call people.
Hold on.
You hold it. We're gonna show
Well, I need the number.
Show the number. Okay, hurry up. We don't have much time.
I'm scared. Are you scared? I'm scared.
You're scared.
Oh wait, I gotta put on speaker.
Hey, is anonymously there?
There's an answer.
I know it's early. I know it's maybe. And this is someone not answering.
That was didn't say the name.
So what do we do now?
Oh, stop it. Do another.